Hello, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about a new topic, gonorrhea. What is gonorrhea? Causative organism, clinical feature, management in homeopathy and general medicine. Gonorrhea occurs at any age, usually in childbearing age or reproductive age group. It usually attacks the cervix, but in vagina it may affect mouth of Bartholin gland, floor of urethra, immediately after menses or after purpurium. Manifestations of gonorrhea: cervicitis, vaginitis, vulvitis, Bartholinitis, urethritis, endometritis, salpingitis, hydrosalpinx and pyosalpinx, tubo-ovarian mass, pelvic cellulitis, gonorrheal ophthalmia, gonorrheal arthritis, gonorrheal endocarditis. May be other signs and symptoms present according to age. Symptoms of gonorrhea in men. The symptoms of gonorrhea in men or male partner include painful burning urination, increased frequency, urgency to urinate, pus-like discharge from the penis, redness, swelling of the foreskin, and pain or swelling in the testicles. These are the symptoms present in male. So, symptoms male and female may vary according to conditions or age group. Diagnosis: history taking, external examination, per vaginal examination, special examination of urine and vaginal discharge secretion like culture test of both partner. Procedures of examination: opening of Bartholin glands. It is red on pressing labia minora, pus is discharged. Urethra is red with pus discharge. PV examination reveals inflammation and tenderness. Treatment and management: strict hygienic measures, good diet and vitamin supplement, antibiotic like penicillin and ampicillin is used. In homeopathy medicines, medorinum, top grade medicine for treating gonorrhea. Medorinum tops the list of medicine to treat gonorrhea in case needling. Medorinum urethral inflammation is marked with burning pain in urethra while urinating. Urine also has an offensive smell. In male, thin fluid mixed whitish mucus or yellow purulent discharge appears from the urethra. There is soreness in urethra. Along with this, in female, thick acrid vaginal discharge with fishy odor is prominent. Cannabis sativa for watery mucus purulent discharge from urethra in male. Cannabis sativa is useful for gonorrhea with both watery mucus or purulent discharge from the urethra in male. Burning, smarting, pain in urethra are marked on urinating. A desire to urinate is almost constant. The glands is red, swollen, inflamed, along with the above symptoms. Nitric acid for yellow-green discharge from urethra in male. Rhododendron for swollen, painful testicles in male. Cantharis for painful burning urination. Cantharis is an excellent medicine for managing painful burning urination in case of gonorrhea. Merksol for increased frequency and urgency of urgency to urinate. Pulsatilla for gonorrhea in female with white milk-like vaginal discharge. Sepia for greenish vaginal discharge. Creozote for yellow vaginal discharge. Netramur for painful quiescence in female. Sabina for treating gonorrhea with heavy menstrual. Complication of gonorrhea. Complications of gonorrhea are pelvic inflammatory disease, that is PID, is complication in women if gonorrhea infection is spread to the uterus or fallopian tubes. It can lead to infertility in females. In men, complications of gonorrhea include epididymis and infertility. Gonorrhea infection can also spread to joint, heart, valve, brain, and spinal cord. A person having gonorrhea is more susceptible to infection with human immunodeficiency virus or HIV that leads to AIDS. These are the complications of gonorrhea. So today in this video we see what is gonorrhea, signs and symptoms in male and female, investigation, treatment, and some homeopathic medicine with indication